So to know if the market will be buying or will be selling, then we have to learn how to read the direction in which the market is going. So for example, let's say we want to be buying in this particular market here, then we must be able to know the direction that the market is going. Okay, so for those that wants to be buying, you must know when to enter the market, and for those of us that wants to sell, we must know when to enter the market, and that is what market structure is all about. So if you know how to read the structure of the market, then definitely you will know if you are to buy at this particular level here, or if you are to sell. Okay, so there are two things that will be able to help us identify the market structure or the direction of the market. Now if we look at this particular um market here, we will notice that this is like a buy market because the market is moving upwards. So there are two things we are to look out for whenever we want to determine if the market is going upwards so that we can buy, or if the market is going downwards so that we can sell. So the first thing we are to look out for whenever you open your chart is to look out for like a particular point first. Okay, so we can see that at this particular level we can identify our point. So the next thing is to wait for price to move away from that point, just as we have here. Okay, and then once price is able to move away from that point, then what we want to wait for is like a retracement leg. Okay, now when price retraces back, then definitely we don't expect this level here to take out this particular level. Okay, so once that happens, then we can begin to watch out to see if market is still going to the upside. Okay, so make sure whenever price retraces here, it doesn't take out this level here. Okay, once that happens, then we want to see price taking out this level here. Okay, so we can see that price later takes out this level. Okay, so it means that this particular level here has not been violated, and then that is the first condition. So the first condition is to wait for price to retrace, okay, to this particular level here that we have here, that we can see. Okay, we can see that price retrace and price failed to take out this particular low here. Okay, and then when that happen, we want to see price take out this particular high here. Okay, so we are just going to draw our line here like a break of structure. Okay, so that would be like a break of structure there. So we can see that we have a break of structure to the upside. Okay, so after this break of structure, so the first thing is we have our first lower high here. Okay, so this is our first lower high here that took out this particular high here. Okay, and then after that, what we want to see is like another retracement. Okay guys, so when we see price going up high, we want to see another retracement, and we saw that retracement somewhere here. Okay, and then this retracement leg mustn't take out this particular low here. Okay, so it mustn't take out this particular low here. When that happen, then definitely we want to pull our tool and mark it out. Okay, so you can see that price actually retraced, and then this was like, remember, this was like the first low here, and then this is like the next higher low. Okay, this is like the next higher low here. So because this low here is lower than this low, okay, and this low is higher than this low here. So after that happen, then we want to see price take out this particular high here. Okay, so let us just draw that level there. So when price takes out this particular high here, then we can say that we are in an uptrend. Okay, so the market structure or the direction of this market now is an uptrend, because market has finally broken out to the upside. Okay, market has finally broken out to the upside. So whenever we have two low here, this our first low, our higher low, then this like our first high here, and then this is like our higher high here. Okay, so it means that we must have two lows here and then two highs here and then two break of structure. Okay, so this confirms to us that we are like in an uptrend. So whatever you want to be doing at this point, you can then decide to buy, okay, in this market. So for example, here we can see that market finally broke out at this particular level here. So we can go to like the 1 hour time frame and look for an entry. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, then definitely we should be able to see like an entry there. Okay, so we can see that market retraced somewhere here. Okay, and then that would have been a good place to enter for a buy to the upside. So the same is true for the sell market. So let us look for the market structure for a down market. Okay, so here we can see the same thing. So the first thing we notice is that there was like a swing point here. Okay, and the next thing we saw market selling here and then market retracing. Okay, and then our particular high here has not been violated here, guys. So it means that this high here is protected. So the next thing we want to see is market selling downward, okay, to break structure downward. Okay, so that's what we want to see here. So we want to see like market selling here and then we want to see like a retracement upward here. So we can see that there's like a retracement, and then the next thing is a break of structure down. So we can see our first break of structure and then we can see our first this like our first high here. Remember, this is like our first swing point here, our first low here. Okay, that's our higher low here, and then this is like our low here. Okay, and then we see price breaking structure downwards. So we are just going to draw that point here. Okay, and then we can see that market now has created this our first low, then this our lower low. Okay, this our high, then this our lower high here. Okay, this our lower high here. So price retraces back to this particular point here. So we can see price retraces back here and then the price now broke structure down. So at this point we can say that market is in a downtrend, okay, because we have this our first low, our second lower low, this our first high, then this our next lower high here. Okay, so we have two lows and two highs here and then two break of structure. Remember our break of structure. So whatever we want to do is to look for a retracement now to take like a sell. Okay, so now we can wait for price to retrace here and then let us go to our 1 hour time frame, and then on our 1 hour time frame then we will be able to see like a particular level here. Okay, so you can notice that there was like an order block where price retraced back to. Okay, and then we can see that market started selling downwards. So this is how to make use of the market structure on any time frame. Okay, but it's advisable that if we want to make use of the market structure, then definitely we want to stick to a higher time frame like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the daily, the weekly and the monthly time frame, guys. So I believe we are able to understand the market structure and that the market structure help us to know the direction of the market, if market is going upward or if the market is going downwards, guys. So guys, you want to check this out first of all on your chart to be able to know the direction of the market, to be able to know if you should be selling or if you should be buying, guys. So guys, I believe you'll be able to gain one or two from this particular video. Then please, if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so now, and do well to like this video and share this video so that other traders can get access to this video to be able to make good decision in the trading market. Okay, and if you are having any issues as regarding the market structure, you can send me a DM, and then definitely I will respond to you. I will hold a personal training for you to be able to show you how to understand this market structure, guys. So until then, I will see you guys in my next trading video. So cheers, guys.